My name is Paul Pierce Sr. I have muscular dystrophy, and this is part one for those who have muscular dystrophy as to those who are caregivers. Many times you turn the TV on, you hear commercials talking about exercising, but you never hear them talking about exercising for those who are bedridden or those who are in wheelchairs or power chairs. Well, what can they do? Well, I have a solution. I have been doing this for the past 16, 17 years, doing various exercises. But keep in mind, before doing any exercise, always check with your doctor. Now, I'm going to tell you about a few mild exercises that you can do to keep your joints from freezing up, to keep your muscles flexible, and to keep the blood properly flowing throughout your body. Now, what I do throughout the day, I do various arm exercises, moving the arms back and forth, no matter which way you move them, up and down, and your limbs, moving them, your legs, moving them back and forth, up and down. Now, if you are a person who are paralyzed from the neck on down, you might want to get your caregiver to move your limbs back and forth to keep those limbs flexible, to keep the blood flowing properly, and to keep your joints from freezing up on you. And they will if they just sit idle. So these are just a few of the things that those who have muscular dystrophy or anyone who is chair-ridden or bed-ridden, and you never hear of any commercials talking about what individuals can do that are continually sitting in a chair. So these are some of the things that keep your life happy. And keep in mind, in doing exercise, this will make you feel better mentally as well as physically. So this is part one of exercising or tips for the day for those who have muscular dystrophy, as well as those who are caregivers or anyone who is sitting or sitting in a chair regularly or bedridden. Until the next time, have a good day, and you take good care of yourself.